The check-in, check updates, the number of rooms and guests, and the nationality. With Smart Search, itatype nyo lang dyan kung ano ang requirement ng clients natin. So, for this, kunwari, traveling to Dubai from, ano ba ngayon? 29. Lagyan mo na lang December 2 to December 8. Gano'n. In a 5-star hotel. So usually ang kailangan dyan is yung date, yung location, and yung if meron kayong mga hotel category, rating. Yeah. Okay, let's search natin. So ang kagandahan with Smart Search, hindi lang pinapakita ni TBO yung hotel options based on the requirement. Pinapakita din niya yung why book this room. So nagbibigay din si Smart Search, si TBO, kung bakit itong hotel option na to pasok sa requirement ng client. So ito siya. Why this property? So at least may description kung bakit pasok yung hotel option for the requirement of the guest. Okay. So this is the search part na. Once na nalagay nyo na yung hotel requirement, yung andito na lalabas lahat ng mga hotel options natin. So the left part, taas mo konti. Ayan. So on the left part, ito yung hotel filters natin. So just in case we want to simplify, streamline the options being provided here, with the filters on the left side, mas madali, mas at least specific yung ibibigay na options ng TBO. Dito makikita natin sa taas. Sorry, add ko lang to.